Okay, so that's my face in the rock, and I've switched to the infrared in daylight, that is for which you require a 1000 time ND filter. And so if you have no technical knowledge and you're unsure, just test it out. Just find some camera that you feel good with, a camcorder you feel good with. The consumer grade camcorders today they're phenomenal. You know, they're absolutely super. I mean, this is not your professional Panasonic. And the technical specs, the abilities of the camera, I think I've got this on 60 time digital zoom now. I should have been up against the tree for that one. If you want to steady yourself on the zoom, just make yourself into a tripod with the tree or a rock or something, and you won't be having a little bit of the shaking. So the whole video world is going to rapidly change, in the sense that we've been doing the vlogging and the entertaining and videographers trying to be doing the professional thing, but it's still in the realm of how they've been conditioned by the media world, films and documentaries. And you're going to see a totally new videographer appearing. It's a woodpecker, who will be doing things differently, because there's something happening to mankind, to the consciousness, to the mind, that we are rediscovering the natural world. And isn't that why we're here? To understand that which is so mysterious, which is maybe a part of us understanding ourselves. Oh man. I mean, look at that. Art, I'm an artist, you know, but nature is the alchemist, the artist. Nature is everything. You know, we're the students, the apprentices, and the nature is the master alchemist, as you can see right now.